Hello, welcome back to the channel. Altcoin season is in full swing and the opportunities are endless, but only if you have enough capital to take advantage of them. Most people think you need a huge savings or high risk loans to invest, but here is a better way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage 0% interest funding to strategically invest in altcoin season without risking your hard earned savings. This is a chance to build your wealth smarter, not harder. Let's go ahead and dive in. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Zach Gordon, your personal and business funding consultant. I specialize in helping entrepreneurs and investors access the funding that they need to build their dreams and invest in passive income streams. Today, we're going to be talking about two hot topics: altcoin season and 0% interest funding. My favorite. If you've been following the crypto markets, you know that altcoins are making all the waves, but the problem is that most people face is a lack of capital, or worse, they'll use a high interest loan or savings to invest, which adds unnecessary risk. I'll show you how to do it differently by using 0% interest funding to maximize your gains while protecting your finances. What is altcoin season and why it matters? First, let's break down what altcoin season is and why it's such a big deal. Altcoin season happens when cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, like Ethereum, XRP, or Solana, start outperforming that Bitcoin. This is usually due to increased market adoption, technological advancements, or new projects creating all the buzz. What makes altcoin season exciting is the potential for massive returns. During the past altcoin seasons, we've seen coins shoot up by 10x, 50x, or even more. But here's the thing: timing and strategy are everything. If you're not prepared with the right capital and a solid plan, you could miss out, or worse, make emotional decisions that lead to losses. And that's why 0% interest funding could be a game changer for you. Now, let's talk about how 0% interest funding works and why it's so powerful. Imagine having access to 50,000, 100,000 or more, or 0% APR for up to 18 months. That's money that you can use to invest strategically without the pressure of immediate repayment or high interest eating into your profits. And here's how it works: credit optimization. Before you can secure 0% funding, you need to have a strong personal credit profile. My team and I help clients optimize their credit profile to ensure approval. Lender selection. We connect you with the best lenders that we have relationships with, offering 0% interest credit cards or lines of credit tailored to your goals. Strategic deployment. Once you have the funding, it's all about using it wisely, whether it's for altcoin investments, real estate, or even business growth. And the best part is you're not risking your savings or getting locked into high interest loans. You're leveraging other people's money to build wealth, just as the wealthy do. That's how the wealthy play the game. You can too. Now let's get into the fun part: investing in altcoins. While I'm not a financial advisor and I won't tell you what to buy, I'll share with you some strategies that help you make smarter decisions. Do your own research. Look for altcoins with strong fundamentals, active development teams, and real world use cases. Coins like Ethereum, Solana, or even new projects with smaller market caps can offer great potential. Next, you want to not put all your capital into one coin. Spread your investments across several promising projects to minimize your risk. Next, you want to set an exit strategy. Altcoin markets are very volatile, and decide in advance when you'll take profits or cut losses. You don't want to get greedy here. And with 0% interest funding, you have the flexibility to hold during the dips, and you got to stay always disciplined. Watch the market cycles. Alt season doesn't last ever. Learn to recognize the momentum shifts back to Bitcoin or other assets. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Now let's keep it real. While altcoin season presents incredible opportunities, there are risks. Markets can be very volatile and not every coin is going to succeed. There's also things called rug pulls that you got to be aware of and you have to prepare for. And that's why we diversify. That is why it's crucial only to invest what you can afford to lose and to use 0% funding as a tool, not a crutch. With proper planning, the rewards can far outweigh the risk. Altcoin investments can serve as a stepping stone towards greater financial freedom, especially when you're leveraging capital wisely. If you're ready to take the next first step, I'm here to help, whether it's building your credit profile specifically for funding, securing zero interest funding, or creating a strategy for altcoin investments. My team has your back. DM me the word fund or visit my website that is in the description for a consultation and access to work with us. Let's work together to fund your dreams and help take advantage of this exciting altcoin season. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You're not going to want to miss more strategies for funding and investing. I'll see you in the next video. Let's fund your dreams and build that empire.